Atomic Structure, Unit 19, Physics, Class 10th. Question 1. Which subations particles has positive charge? Answer: proton. Question 2. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? Answer: electrons. Question 3. Which subatomic particles has no charge? Answer: neutron. Question 4. What is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom? Answer: mass number. Question 5. What differs the identity of an element's? Answer: atomic number. Question 6. What is the charge of a proton? Answer: positive. Question 7. What is the charge of an electron? Answer: negative. Question 8. What is the charge of a neutron? Answer: neutral. Question 9. The nucleus of an atom contains? Answer: protons and neutrons. Question 10. The mass of an electron is? Answer: negligible. Question 11. The center of an atom is called? The answer: nucleus. Question 12. What particle is located outside the nucleus? Answer: nucleus. Question 13. What particle is located outside the nucleus? Answer: electrons. Question 14. Who proposed the nuclear model of the atom? Answer: Rutherford. Question 15. The atomic number represents the number of? Answer: protons. Question 16. The mass number of an atom is? The sum of? Answer: protons and neutrons. Question 17. Isotopes have the same number of protons but different numbers of? Answer: neutrons. Question 18. What is the relative mass of a neutron? Answer: 1 atomic mass unit. Question 19. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in? Answer: fixed orbit. Question 20. Who discovered the electrons? Answer: Thomson. Question 21. Which subatomic particle determines the chemical properties of an element? Answer: electrons. Question 22. The maximum numbers of electrons in the first shell is? Answer: 2. Question 23. What is the valency of hydrogen? Answer: 1. Question 24. Electrons are arranged in shell according to? Answer: Bohr theory. Question 25. The relative charge of a proton is? Answer: +1. Question 26. What is the relative mass of a protons? Answer: 1 atomic mass unit. Question 27. What is the highest subatomic particle? Answer: electrons. Question 28. Which particle is responsible for the identity of an element? Answer: proton. Question 29. In a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of? Answer: electrons. Question 30. The periodic table is arranged according to the answer atomic number.